Happy birthday, Kuya Joshi. Happy birthday to you. Maraming salamat po. Siyempre sa inyo, sa 18, at sa lahat po na nanonood ngayon. And of course, my brothers, W3, at sa lahat po ng bumuo na event na to. Siyempre, thank you po. So, sana mas marami mo po kaming mapuntahan na bansa at sana magkita-kita po ulit tayo. Thank you so much.
Maraming mapa, si Kuya Josh. Kaya naman kantahan natin si Kuya Josh na! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Joshi. Happy birthday to you.
Sinabihan ako, iniyak yung ano,
Is that okay? Tatayo kayo mamaya, okay ba yun? Kung pwede lang, kung pwede lang.
Pwede ba? Pwede?
Siyempre, this is our first time here, tama? So nag-expect kami ng malakas na energy from you guys. Saan ba namin yun? Eh parang ngayon pa lang, pagod na kayo. But anyways, thank you so much. Sana na-enjoy nyo ating live soundcheck today. But tulad nga na sabi ni Josh, preserve your energy kasi mamaya mas mapapagod tayong lahat, okay? So for now, thank you so much. That's our live soundcheck. We need to go backstage to prepare for the show tonight. Thank you, 18.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much. See you next time. We love you.